DJ and welcome back to my new video on Mastercam tip. Today we have a short video and we are talking about how we can apply a multi-axis ramping toolpath on open contour. Yeah. As you know, for multi-axis on a cylinder surface, we can use the axis substitution. In this case, yeah, you make a 2D ramping toolpath, and then you turn on the axis substitution on for the y-axis, so you got the ramp motion on the cylinder surface. But how about if we have a freestyle surface like this one, so we are unable to apply the axis substitution, so we need to find another solution for that. Okay, and for the curve toolpath we have on a multi-axis, we need to find a true multi-axis toolpath, and for the toolpath on curve we have two toolpaths that can be used, that the curve and the project curve toolpath. Okay, for the curve toolpath like this one, this is the curve toolpath. You can see it provides us the roughing option with multiple depth of cut, but unluckily we are unable to apply the ramping motion. I want the tool to ramp from here to the end of the contour, and then it ramp back from here to here. So the curve 5-axis toolpath are unable to do that. It can only do multiple depth of cut. So you can see the tool plunged into the stock here. So how about if you want to make a full ramping motion? So we're gonna use the multi-axis project curve toolpath. I have another video on this type of toolpath with some examples, so you can check my previous video for the tutorial on the project curve toolpath. Today I just want to say about the tip how we can apply the ramping motion on an open contour. Okay, we are gonna select the toolpath first, click on this. For the comparison, I will apply the toolpath on a closed contour first. Okay, we select the tool, and I have a 12mm ball and mill here, and we select the curve. First I will select the closed contour first. You can see I have a closed contour here. I will select it. Okay, and I'm gonna select the dry surface. Click on this one. Okay, I'm gonna go -3mm from the surface. Okay, and the tool will stay perpendicular to the surface, so the tool axis control will be the surface. Okay, we turn off the collision control so the tool can plunge into the surface. Okay, we'll turn off the lead in and lead out just for demonstration only. Okay, so this is a normal project curve toolpath with no depth of cut. So now I'm gonna apply the multiple depth of cut. Okay, we go to the roughing and we select depth of cut here. Maybe we use three passes with 1mm per pass, and then we regenerate the toolpath again. So now I got this one pass, 2 and 3 pass. You can see This is the multiple depth of cut. It's still no ramping, you know, you can see that, just multiple depth of cut. And then there's a way we can apply the ramping motion, that we check on the use ramp option here. Check on this, you can see we have a ramping motion. Ping, ping. Okay, check it again. You can see it make a ramp motion. This is the ramp motion. Yeah. So we can create a ramping multi-axis toolpath with the project curve, but on the closed contour you can see this is a closed contour, so the ramp working. Now I'm gonna copy another toolpath and I reselect the chain. Now it's not a closed contour, it's an open contour, so we can see if we have any different. Okay, now I select this chain and other parameter keep the same, the linking, the roughing with 3 passes of cut 1 millimeter per pass, and the use ramp option activated. I click on OK button and we can see if we have a ramp motion or not. Okay, you can see the first depth of cut, the second and the third. Yeah, the third is not ramp. You can see we don't have a ramping motion, just multiple depth of cut. You can see first depth, second depth, and third depth, fourth depth. Yes. So you can see the use ramp motion here. I will turn it on. So you can see until we activate this option, but on an open contour Mastercam does not provide us a ramping motion. Yeah, it's only work on closed contour like this one. Yeah, that's crazy, you know. But on this one, an open contour, it just do a multiple depth of cut like this one. That's we don't want. I want a ramp motion, not a multiple depth cut. Shit. So how we can solve that? In most cases, we always have a trick, a tip to do that. So now I'm gonna show you the tip today. Okay, you can see it's not working on an open contour, so now we're gonna make it closed contour. Okay, I got this one, and now I'm gonna use a translate function. You can use the dynamic or translate anyone you want. I will use the dynamic here, copy it to another place like this. Okay, you can see I have copied this chain to another place, and now I move it back. I will turn on the 3D and I move this back to here. Okay, you can move if you want, or copy and move it back. Now we have 2 duplicated chain here. You can see this look like one chain, but in fact we have 2 chain duplicated. Okay, now I'm gonna select the chain again. This is the previous chain we selected. You can see this is the start point and this is the last point. Now I select it again with 2 duplicated chain. I click on this, ping. You can see it's become closed. We are unable to find the last the end of the chain. You can see the start and the end become one. You can see only the green around. Okay, if I select the single, you can see we have the start and the end of the chain, but if we use this one, it will automatically connect two chain and make it close, so it look like open but it closed. Okay, now we regenerate the toolpath again, and let's see. In. I will turn on the wireframe so you can see it easy. So this magic will happen. Ooh, you can see now we have a full ramping motion. That's cool, right? And yes, that's it, the tip. Yeah, so you can see by using a simple trick we can make things impossible to possible. I will yeah, undo it, and you can see this is a single chain, then we copied it, okay, and we move it back to the original location, okay, and make it and move it here to here, make it in the same position with the previous one, and then we rechain it again. Very simple. Rechain, ping, and now it's become closed. Very simple. Okay, ting. Yes, and now we got what we want it's supposed to do. Ting. Ting. Okay, but that's just a part of the tip. We have another thing. Okay, instead of we copy this chain to another place and then we replace it, we move it back to to its original location. To make it close, I have another method much faster and you will love it. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. Okay, I remove the duplicated chain, so now we got the original chain. As you can see, with the original chain we only can do the multiple dab of cut like this one. We are unable to do the ramping motion. Okay, and the second tip, this way much faster. Okay, look at this. We go back to the curve here and we reselect the chain. You can see this is the chain we selected. It's not work, it cannot provide us a ramping motion, but look at this. I rechain it, I said rechain on, and if you use this option, the chain, when you use it, you can see we have the start and the end of the chain, so it's an open chain and it's not gonna work. Okay, we don't want to do that, so I remove the chain here, and the tip is, this is the trick, you gonna select the part tool option, click on this, and now I select the chain again. You can see the start and the end, and now I click on this point, this area, and you can see we make it close. So you can see we can make an open chain become closed by using this partial option. Okay, I will do it again. Click on the start, you can see it's still open, but when we click here again, it turn back and become closed. Magical. Wow, look at this, it's become closed. We don't have to copy the chain, we don't have to replay the chain, we don't have to make a duplicated chain, so it's much faster and much simple. Oh, look at this. In. look at this, we have a ramp motion, a full ramp motion. That's perfect, right? Very cool. Okay, now I'm gonna apply it on the cylinder surface. Okay, we just select the curve, like we turn on the part of option first, select this one. No, this chain need to be closed, so yeah, this chain needs to be closed. So I will create a spline from the curve here. We have the spline from curve. We click on the chain and we OK, and we delete the original curve. So we have a closed chain. We have a single chain like this. It's a spline. You can see this becomes spline, but one single spline. So we can rechain it again. Click on the projection and we select the curve. Remember to check the partial, okay, and we click on this and we click on this again. Bing. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Oh, sorry, we forgot to select the tri surface. Click on the tri surface and click on this one. Bing, and bing, and bing. Okay, let's see what we got. You can see we have a full ramping motion. It can be better. Okay, you can see very simple, very simple, and looks very nice. Now I'm gonna test it on the real machine. Okay. Woo. Stock setup, solid. Okay, just want to cut 1mm depth to the surface, so I'm gonna do it. Roughing 0.7. Okay, verify. I'm gonna verify it before I put it into the real machine. Okay, and this is a ramp motion. I will slow it down and go. Yes, it's cutting. In. Watch it again. Now we tool. Okay, watch it again. Tin. Okay, make it faster. It will look like this. Yeah, very simple. You can see I already showed you how we can create a multi-axis ramping on a closed contour. Very simple, very fast. Okay, you are unable to do it if you are not using a trick. Yeah, I think so. At least I think so. If you have another way without using the trick or tip, just show me. I will share it to everyone here. Okay, thank you for watching. And you can see the test cut on the real machine at the end of the clip. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye for now. See you later. Okay.